Therefore, please do set up a connect with such people, talk to them, tell them that this is the need of the hour, and maybe tell them that being in Rotary demands this as a precondition. Of course, without rubbing people the wrong way. All of us Rotarians and human beings in general have an ego the size of India and resources the size of West Bengal. So these things will keep on bugging you throughout your presidential tenure unless you plan this. Planning implies budgets. Please create budgets at the micro level for each project. Each project and the funding pattern. Whatever the world perceives us, it is if you make a breakup of the expenditure of some of the clubs, not all, we find that out of the amount collected, 30% sometimes are used for projects and 70% is for fellowship. Maybe you need to immediately rectify this scenario and turn the tables with a maximum utilization of 30% for fellowship and 70% for project, and this 30% also to be individually resourced, funded from external sources and use collections only for projects. This has two benefits. One is if the sponsorship of fellowships are done on a joint basis or on a turnaround basis, which includes a large number of members of the club, no one really gets majorly hit as far as cash out position is concerned. Point number one. Point number two, let me tell you, the direct effect of a positive fellowship results in peer pressure for collection of outstandings. It actually happens. You know it. You have been in Rotary long enough to know that people react differently when money is asked from them. Why don't we go about it in this fashion? Just a suggestion. Each of you have your innovative ways of collecting outstanding dues, but maybe a suggestion, because for the Rotary year 2020-21, we need to have funds in place. One source of fund for the district is advertisements for the district directory, maybe the mini directory, and other publications of the districts. These advertisements are badly needed. So we will be constantly asking you, not bugging you, just a gentle reminder that please do contribute for advertisements for different district publication. This will go a long way in helping the district help you. Lastly, at the end of everything, Rotary is a place of harmony. Let not money come between good Rotarian action and you as president for this year. I wish all of you a fantastic presidential tenure ahead.
You are much senior to me. They were placed professionally also at much higher level than where I was. I was a much younger guy in those days, 30 years back. And I was made the president. It was a challenge that how to tackle these older guys. So you have to use your leadership tactic, your leadership quality. And it is possible. Where, he is not there, or Biplabda will, oh, where is the Biplabda? So, please, this solution you can provide when he will come out with that. that how to handle such situations. Yeah, I mean, it's absolutely a reality. What you said is a reality.
Actually, they are adamant with their ideas, with their
I know. Okay, thank you so much.
You know why PDG Rajani Mukherjee is so stressing upon the fact of the flexibility? Those who are bit old Rotarians will know that from Rotary year 13-14, Rotary International has gone a sea change, am I right? Yes. That time we used to call that a future vision, but now it's matter of the past, now it's the present. And I tell you one thing, in 2016 COL, when they were deliberating on whether there'll be 4 meetings a month or 2 meetings a month, past RI president, that time, he was past, or the present, Ravindran had said, I knew it from Alok, you and also Rajuda, that they deliberate before they take a decision. They said, you want Rotary to exist or Rotary to perish. And that was the game changer. And Rotary International agreed to 2 meetings per month or 4 meetings, whatever suits any club. So, well, President-elects, don't be grumpy on Sunday morning, be flexible. Thank you.
The best way in which I can thank Rajnida is to take the cue from him instantly and be more flexible. So I'm changing the scene from Rotary to cinema, and I'd request Rotarian Alok Rai to please come and conduct this quiz. Thank you.
Good morning. Between Ma and Baba, there is another Ma, that's cinema. So the topic is cinema. I have 3 questions. First one, name the actress who won maximum number of national awards in acting. National award. Throughout India, it may anyone. Name the actress who won maximum number of national awards in acting.
Please put your hands up. Yes. Yes, who was it? Yes, Shinchonna. Okay. Amrita.
But we have object of Rotary. We are not going into the details. But there are always a miscommunication and a misconception. When you open the page of object of Rotary, you will also find 4 parts. Normally people say that there are 4 objects of Rotary. No. Object of Rotary is 1. There are 4 objectives. There are differences between object and objectives. So object of Rotary is 1. Under the object, we have 4 objectives. So it is also there in that book. You go through that. Okay. Diversity, yes. Rotary is a very diverse organization. Our membership profile, our classification is so diverse, you will not find in any other organization. So it is there. And we'll discuss today and tomorrow about the Rotary Foundation. We have separate session on that. Rotary, of course, is an international experience. Obviously, we'll have several opportunities. We'll also discuss on that. And Rotary is emphasizing now mostly on the promotion of youths and involving youth into our Rotary fold. Otherwise, 115 years almost, Rotary is in existence. Most of us are becoming senior citizens. Unless we prepare our next generation and ready to hand over the batons, so how can we expect that Rotary will thrive in the next 100 years? So that's why Rotary now is very keen to involve more youths in our Rotary fold. So till now, thank you very much. We'll come back again. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you, Angshuman, for your wonderfully sharing your experience with the Rotary knowledge. Now, I request your district governor, Rotarian Sudip Mukherjee, please come in the dais and share your vision.
District Governor Ajay Agarwal, District Governor nominee Probit Chatterjee, I think he's gone out. District Trainer, past District Governor Angshuman Bandyopadhyay and Jaya Bodhi. Jaya Bodhi, are you here? Vice Governor, past District Governor Brojugopal Kundu. আরেকবার উঠতে হবে Many of you do not know it is his birthday. Yeah. Chief Advisor, past District Governor Rajani Mukherjee and Bolori Bodhi. Respected members of Calcutta Victoria, where are they? They've gone out. For? Gone out in what sense? Because they have...
They thought they were not supposed to.
No, no.
We have not told them to leave the house. How can it be? Not supposed to be.
If they are nearby, you can just call them because we're going to recognize them. And the program is there. Anyway. We are missing BK. And most importantly, the President's 2021. Can you please rise? You are nearing about 80. Please big hand. And the partners, can you please rise? The partners of the President's 2021. Please give a big hand to them too.
Rotarian and member of a Rotary Club, the difference, this is the difference. If you have the access to My Rotary, you have the access to go Rotary website, Rotary International website, you have the access to view everything. You can access to view what Rotary International is doing, what is happening internationally, everything. এইটা যদি একটু প্র্যাকটিস করা যায় আপনার তো কোনো প্রবলেম নেই মাঝে মাঝে করবেন কেন আমি বলি আই টেল ইউ see this is the position as on 10th of November in our district. Total member is 3823 বোধহয় আমার মনে হচ্ছে গানটাতে ছিল registered is 51.34% and not registered 46.66%. So আমাদের এই রেশিওটা বাড়াতে হবে. It is not the question of that you are registered in My Rotary. Kindly take it to your all club members and please promote them. Please, I use the word, you have to promote that. It's not that you have to help them or something like that to become the member, registered in My Rotary. That is very, very essential. Yes, Didi?
If people are not comfortable doing it for them.
Yeah, you can. Acha bolchi pore. Right. Can you see 5 names, club names? Calcutta Kagurugachi, Calcutta Park Point, Calcutta South City Towers, Calcutta UVs, Purulia, Uttarpada. Are they present? From Purulia, Park Point. These 5 clubs have 100% My Rotary registered club. Let's have a big round of applause for them. 100%. Irrespective of the number of the members, these are the 100% registered club as on date. না 90% হবে নয় মানে 10th নভেম্বর অবধি ছিল না আমি জানি না গতকালেরটা সেটা বলে দিতে পারবো আর there are it's not the question যে ওই 5 জন 100% আর 3টে নিচে ক্লাব দেখা যাচ্ছে আবাহনী ক্যালকাটা নর্থ ক্যালকাটা ইডেন ধুলিয়ান ফারাক্কা 100% not registered club সেটাও রেকর্ড So that's why I'm saying these 3 clubs are 100% not registered. 5 জন যেরকম 100% registered, so then there are few clubs also 100% not registered. But I tell you, you have to make it in that way. You have to make it a habit that kindly, please encourage your members to become to get themselves registered in the My Rotary. See, I hope you all must be knowing how to register in My Rotary. I don't want to waste time then. You all must be knowing. Anybody has any doubt, kindly get in touch with me. I will just tell you. No problem for that. I am not wasting time on that because there are few more things I need to share with you. And we are already late actually. So you have to register, you have to fill the details. This is activate the account. আমি এটা বলে দেবো কি করে করা যায়, পরে বলে দিচ্ছি বুদ্ধিটা। করে দেবো, বলে দেবো, বুদ্ধিটা দিয়ে দেবো। বুদ্ধিটা দিয়ে দেবো। ঠিক আছে, এই অবধি কারোর কোনো কোয়েশ্চেন আছে? ডু ইউ হ্যাভ এনি কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যাবাউট দিস? এই অবধি তো কোনো প্রবলেম নেই। কিন্তু আমি বলি, everybody go to My Rotary and create your profile. I think, how many of you have created your profile? Okay, more or less few, fine. বাকিরা একটু করে দিন, ওখানে ফটোগ্রাফও দেওয়া যায়। I think you must be knowing that you can give your photographs also over there. So you please create your profile, put your photograph, put your classification, everything you can give it to. Now, যেটা অংশুমান দাও বললো, রজনী দাও বললেন, this is the time for you to take help of your respective club president or club secretary. এই যে প্রেসিডেন্ট, একটা জিনিস শুনতে হবে একটু ছোট্ট করে। This is the time for you to take the help, I'm using the word help, of your current secretary or the current president. Most club anyway, at least you have to get hold of your club secretary or the club president to update your name as a president-elect.
Seeing they are experts, they will be able to properly accompany you with the original musical tone. So don't feel ashamed. The floor will be yours in the evening. Now I will request our MC Joydev to continue with the next part of the program.
Thanks, Angshuman. Now I request Secretary General for 2021, Ashim Goharai, to introduce our keynote speaker, Biplab Dasgupta.
Good evening, friends. It's my proud privilege to introduce our guest speaker, with whom I have been associated for last 15 years, if not more than 15 years. Biplab Dasgupta is a performer, a communicator, a motivator, and an actor-director. After completing post-graduation in English, he started his career in academics, teaching English, study of Tagore and world literature. Later he joined advertising, which inspired him to make ad films, documentary films, and conduct training and workshop sessions for various service sectors, which includes corporate sessions, IT, microfinance, development sectors, to help the participants to sharpen and upgrade various skills, which include communication, motivation, and leadership. He has visited California as a GSC team member. Apart from being a newsreader on television, anchor of radio program HMV Sangeetanjali, he has written scripts for radio plays, teleplays, telefilms, and directed them. He has also acted in various roles on stage for radio plays, telefilms, regional, and for 4 international feature films. Some of the recent movies he acted in are Mourakhi, Konto, Gunnami. He has shared screen with Nasiruddin Shah in Devotar Grass, the feature film which is awaiting release. Today, he is with us to interact with President-elect on communications, tomorrow on motivation. So friends, please join your hands to welcome our guest speaker, Biplab Dasgupta. Biplab Das.
Good evening, District Governor Rotarian Ajay Agarwal, District Governor-elect, respected Rotarian Sudeep Mukherjee, all other President-elects, Rotarians, and guests and dignitaries. I'm really honored. I have been listening to these sessions right from the beginning, only in between I was not here for 15 minutes. I'm really honored and humbled that I have been given this opportunity to interact with such a discerning audience. And each of you, you are all very successful in your respective professions, in your respective disciplines, in your respective fields, and you could have easily decided to lead a very comfortable life, a very luxurious life without taking any additional responsibility. But all of you did plunge into action with your relentless commitment to serve the mankind, to serve the humanity, and took oath for service above self, which I find is extremely admirable, remarkable, fantastic. Kudos to all of you. I would like to begin the session with a big round of applause only for you. And I am not here to give you any kind of training. I'm not here to give you any kind of lecture or help you learn any lessons. I'm merely here to share some of my experiences which I've gathered, which I've imbibed from my sources of working with people who are great communicators, with working with teachers who are great teachers, with working with directors who are great communicators, with my family, my father, all the friends, all the kind of well-wishers, and I think each of them has contributed to whatever I have learned today, and that is applicable for all of you. Now, since morning, you have been sitting and listening. You are on the other side of the table. Now, for the first time, I want, because this will be a session, but I personally feel two most important things in life is performance and communication. In our life, we play many roles, and each role we are supposed to perform. At home, somebody is a father, somebody is a husband, somebody is a son, somebody is a wife, somebody is a mother, and then in professional fields you have certain roles, and in each role you are supposed to perform, and without communication that performance is not possible. So communication is something which is a subject to learn in an ongoing process. And there I've given you a paper where there is a song which I find is the essence of communication, written by the greatest communicator of the world, Rabindranath Tagore. So I would ask, because since you have been sitting so far, please rise up to the occasion, stand, and let's all sing together this song to start this session.